came here 15 years ago with a $20 Toys R Us snowboard and couldn't do anything. And I remember that this was the spot. This was the snow spot. Anytime it snowed, there were guys here building ramps. They got plenty of big hills. This is a golf course, which makes perfect sense why you should just come here. We got the snowsuit today. We're gonna check this place out. This looks fun. See what I'm saying? Woo. Yeah, that's so fun. I think the hardest thing for me is trying to make him turns. If I can make this turn good, then the jump will be easy. Man. Probably the biggest jump I've ever done on a snowscooter, but it does look perfect. A little faster than I think we can clear it. We're pretty close, and the landing's soft. Damn. It's a whole different animal, turning. Learn how to turn. If I can figure out how to turn, I can hit this jump. It's not that small, it's not that big. Super rocket air. Dude, I can't make the turn. There you go. Catch the bars from these. Man. Man. I'll probably do one more jump and then I'll try a whip. One tail would be nice. A single tail whip today. Go straight, thanks. Bro, so turns. Turns are the hardest thing for me. That one I made straight. So I was able to get the whip. Same thing for this one. If I can get this one straight, we can clear this one a little better. Just gotta practice a little more. I gotta go back to the basics and figure out like the carving because it's not wheels. Wheels, as soon as you turn your handlebar, you start catching, getting grip. This, you gotta almost like trust it because it comes late. We have a team, we can build like a street league park.
Yes, sir.
Good, be safe. Likewise. The last time I was here was over 15 years ago, and we had the $20 snowboard. I remember we had ski attachments for the scooter, and I was with my buddy Chris, who I just ran into again, which is crazy. The last time I was here, he was here, and now I'm here, he's back. But we're gonna try to see if we can come here more often while the snow is still here. We're gonna try to line up, bringing the shovels back to the spot, get a crew, and build some more crazy stuff. I wanna see if I can bring my rail, get things going. So if you guys have some ideas on something that you'd want me to build, please let me know. We're gonna come back, we can build something cool in that area. It's really nice because there's no one there. You can kind of do your thing. Catch a couple free ride sessions down this before we go home. It's a big hill, so to come back up it a bunch of times is tough. So we'll definitely catch a few runs real quick.
Oh God. You're a target.
Bro, that's the greatest thing. That was so much fun. Definitely gotta go back, and definitely need more training trying to ride in a straight line. Appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.